My best decision of 2025 was to visit this pottery village. In the last episode, I reached Tambatachi Kui. After seeing some gorgeous tambayaki, I knew I had to experience the clay myself. So I headed straight to the workshop section and signed up for a hand building session. The moment the clay touched my palms, I could tell it was unlike any clay I've worked with. Soft, elastic, rich brown, and it stayed pliable for over 30 minutes without a drop of water. I let myself play, mold, break, rebuild, completely free from any pressure or perfection. And out of these moments of freedom and fun emerged this quirky eggplant jar that made me laugh. Got a little guide on Tamba clay. I didn't want my piece fired or shipped, so the staff sweetly offered me a choice from their fired pieces. I picked a stunning gas-fired purple cup, simple yet soulful. Like a child in a candy shop. Picked a few goodies too. Join me next as I step inside Tamba's centuries-old climbing kiln, one of the coolest structures I have seen.